Manipuri Manukshia!
Protest candle arching prayer is because Manipur is burning right now, and it's because for voices to be heard by the concerned authority, because for the past few months Manipur has been burning and no certain mechanisms has been taken place so far, and as you can see, both the sides of the community has been collapsed drastically, like to a level that we have never seen before. And so we are urging our government, both the governments, to take the certain required mandatory steps so that we could bring normalcy to Manipur. And the main theme about this prayer is to avoid separate administrations and not to divide Manipur, because we want to build Manipur just as before when this conflict wasn't taken place, and that's it.
Terima kasih. ngasi tinbiriba mayam sumaina mathangda amuk thabak forum tarakpada mayangna mateng pangbiu amasung saruk yabiu masi haizaraga ngasi gi thoramse lo sinjare adu ahanbada ahoina slogan amatang ai haizage mayamna aigi matong inabiro himalay bangna yaifare himalay bangna yaifare
Manipuri manung siya